IONe is a self-service portal for cloud service management based on ESXi, KVM, OPENNEBULA, WHMCS billing platform. Let's explore the functionality of Cloud App. On the main tab, you see a list of your virtual machines. Click on one of them and control it. Turn it off and on. Reboot. Recover. Reinstall. Change the amount of your VM resources. Control disk and attach a new one. Control network. Boot order. Or delete your VM. Here you will also see the following information: IP address, capacity, storage, network, and graphs with up-to-date statistics of networks, CPU and memory, disk bytes, and IOPS. And you can also create a snapshot. Or go to the console to manage resources. There you can use options of screen movement, keyboard, special keys, clipboard, open in full screen and configure settings. Create a virtual machine from scratch. Choose operating system, resources, drive, and network. Choose the way of payment and launch it. In the application, you can also write a ticket to technical support, track your requests, and communicate with specialists. Tickets are generated with a direct integration with WHMCS billing system. You can pay and view invoices right in the app. Invoices are generated with a direct integration with WHMCS billing system. In the settings, you can also change the language of interface. Try IONE Cloud App now and manage your infrastructure easily.